Hey there. Do you want to go through our trash and see what we've used up the past month and a half? Stay tuned, bitches. Right, Cokie? Right, Cokie? And be a good girl. You gonna eat chicken? Boys, how you doing? Today's video is an empties video. I didn't do one last month because I had my Halloween content for the end of the month. I was supposed to do more things, but I'm just gonna do them when I feel like it. So let's get into it. Is this Performix protein powder? This is in the fruity cereal flavor. I reordered this because I'm obsessed. It tastes so good. I like to blend mine with the frozen banana, not ice, because it gives it more flavor. And then it literally tastes like Fruity Pebbles. I feel like I noticed a difference with my workouts when I take this. Afterwards, I'm not as sore. You're going to want to either take protein or drink BCAAs after, which are amino acids to help you build your muscles so you're not as sore. So, highly recommend. I've talked about this before in my Amazon favorites video. It's a good formula. It's pretty cheap. It's 30 bucks for this big thing. You go to GNC, it's gonna be it's gonna be like $70 for a big tub of something there. This is a really good brand. I also like the chocolate brownie flavor. If you're on the market for a good cheap protein powder, I would get this. This one's not plant-based though, so if you have issues with whey, then I wouldn't take this, but I love it. This is my favorite hair mousse of all time. It's the Girls with Curls Curl Boosting Mousse. I love this stuff as much as the Shea Moisture Mousse. Those are the only two hair mousses I buy. This doesn't make your hair crunchy like ramen noodles. It doesn't make it stiff. It doesn't dry out. I don't think this has alcohol in it. And it just gives the curls a nice like life and shine, especially with the diffuser. If you got thinner hair, you could probably get away with putting some of this on your roots when you blow dry your hair to kind of have more of a lift. I had originally bought this to refill the spray-on leave-in that I'm obsessed with. This is the It's a 10 Silk Express leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff so much. This is part of my curly and straight hair routine. Like, there's a difference, a big difference in my hair when I don't use this. And I have really long hair. It knots really easily when I can't talk today. I have really curly hair and it knots really bad after I wash it, and this helps my brush go through my hair so easy. I'm not breaking no brushes lately, so I'm not even going like in categories here. I'm not like splitting things up. I like skincare, makeup, whatever. It's just whatever I grab out the bag, okay guys? This is the XTEND BCAAs, the original. And Watermelon Explosion. This has the BCAAs and electrolytes in it. I drink this while I'm working out and it gives my pre-workout a boost, and I be going ham for like 2 hours. This flavor is bomb. I think it's one of my favorite flavors besides the mango. I did buy like a big tub of the passion fruit one, and I have a hard time drinking that. I'll suck this flavor down in the mango, but the passion fruit, I have a hard time drinking that. It's just got like a chalky aftertaste, but this one doesn't, which is weird. This hyaluronic acid serum was bomb, and it took forever to finish. This is the Mermaid Skin Hyaluronic Acid Serum by Tarte. My lights are so bright, it's hard for it to catch it, but I use this all up. I started using this, I want to say in March at the beginning where all this COVID stuff happened, and I literally just finished this bottle. And yeah, that's crazy. That's at least 6 months it took me to finish this. And I use like one pump. I use like one pump in the morning and at night, and I mix it in with my moisturizer just to give it that boost. This was a really good one. I got this in a gift set. This is a little life hack if you want to try some higher end skincare or whatever. The stores like Ulta and Sephora after Christmas, they put all those gift sets majorly on sale, and that's when I grab stuff like this. Yeah, so would I repurchase? At the moment, not right now, because I have other hyaluronic acid serums in rotation I'm trying out that I've gotten in my subscription boxes or found at Marshall's or whatever, so I'm not repurchasing this. I'm not repurchasing this at the moment, but I would give this a go again. This is really good. Oh my god. If I was on a deserted island and I could only take one thing with me, one thing, food, whatever, I would take this toner. I would take this toner. This is the best skincare item I've ever had. This is my baby. I love this so much. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore-Tight Toner. This product is like my ultimate favorite skincare product of all time, toner wise, but it's a holy grail. It is so good. This is so good at hydrating your skin. It's good at minimizing your pores, and the major thing, minimizing breakouts and blackheads. My esthetician even tells me every time I go for my facials to stop using this toner because she ain't got nothing to dig out my face. And if you don't believe me, you can watch my microdermabrasion facial video. I'll link it up here or whatever if you haven't seen it already. But I always carry at least 2 or 3 of these in backup. It's necessary. I can't run out of this toner. This is like, you need to try it. They do have a mini size, but this has lasted me, and I use this only in the morning just because I use retinol at night. BHA and retinol don't play well together, so I wouldn't use this at night if you use retinol at night. I just use this in the morning. So fantastic. And this bottle's lasted me, I want to say, at least 4 months, which is great. I think this retails for around $30-something. I don't think I said the prices for anything else I mentioned. I'll link it down below in the description box. This is necessary, okay? I am not ashamed. Yes, I use the Target brand Summerseat to maintain my pH, ladies. And I eat pineapples. Is it really an empties video on this channel without some lavender body wash? I don't think so. I love this one by Beauty Heart Planet. I decided to be a little adventurous and try out the Burt's Bees one at Target, and that one's terrible. I will never buy that again. But I repurchase this all the time. I'll buy like 3 or 4 at a time of this. It's fantastic. And it's like a nice creamy texture. It's really good for dry skin, especially winter coming. Just like my body wash obsession, I have an obsession with hand wash. I love like rose or flower scented hand wash. This one by Love Beauty Planet was fantastic. Ooh, I love this so much. This is the Bountiful Bouquet one. Smells amazing. And then of course, the OG, the Trader Joe's Foaming Hand Soap and Botanical Bounty. This one is only available in the summertime. It gets replaced by like other seasonal things. Their basil one's bomb. And right now I have their apple cider hand soap in rotation. Makes me want to eat my hands. I'm obsessed with this deodorant. This is the Dove Invisible Dry or the Go Fresh. But my life hack is I get these at Marshall's. And these are the bigger ones. These aren't the small size. At Marshall's, they go for $4 a can. I know they're double that in Target or CVS or wherever, depending on where you live. In New York City, this probably costs $20 a can because everything there is ridiculous. Another Trader Joe's thing, I go through a bottle of these every month, is their calming sleep formula. I can't go to sleep without this. Is so good. This has L-theanine, 5-HTP, and melatonin. I can't take melatonin on its own. It gives me nightmares. But this blend is bomb. This I picked up at Marshall's, believe it or not, and Laniege is not cheap. At Sephora, this is like $40+. This is the Water Bank Moisture Essence. This is the Water Bank Moisture Essence. Unlike other essences, this one's more of like a lotion consistency or moisturizer compared to like well, this isn't really essence, but this is more of like an essence consistency. It's like that thicker juicy formula. I really enjoyed this. This lasted me probably 3 months, but I used like probably 2 to 3 pumps of this in the morning and at night. So this is really good if you're on the market for an essence. Recommend that for sure. This one was kind of a disappointment. I don't know what I was expecting from it, but like I'm a face mist connoisseur and I have every type of face mist imaginable. I have a face mist collection. This is the Sweet Chef Ginger and Kombucha Vitamin D Chill Mist. This was okay. Honestly, I just probably reach for it every day just to use it up because I just wasn't impressed by this at all. I'm big on the nozzle on my face mist. I like a nice mister, not like I'm like a geyser squirting my face. The mister on this was kind of aggressive. I've had worse, but it's not worth me repurchasing for the price. I could get a cheaper face mist at Target that's actually like Coors or something. So, and the next item I reached into the bag proves my whole point of why I'm not gonna spend, I think it's $16 or $18 on that face mist at Target I just talked about, when I found this face mist at Marshall's for probably $12, and this is MURAD. So before we were rudely interrupted by Coco barking at the delivery, the FedEx guy, whoever the fuck was outside my door. I hate when they put all the syrup at the bottom. I was saying how I wouldn't repurchase that face mist from Target because I just find better stuff at Marshall's, like this MURAD face mist. It's a probiotic face mist. This was bomb. I love this. I love the mister on this. This was fantastic. And this lasted me like 4 months. This is the Prebiotic 3-in-1 MultiMist, and it definitely does not go for no $12. This was a steal. If I can find this again at a discount, I would definitely grab probably 3 or 4 of these. Alright, real quick, I'm not going to fully go on a tangent about this because I talk about it all the time. In any video I have a chance to talk about this, I talk about this. This is the Sunday Riley A+ high dose retinoid serum. You guys know I'm obsessed with this. I started buying the bigger size bottle because I just go through it so fast. Highly recommend you try this if you're into anti-aging. Y'all already know, if you're a regular on this channel, my obsession with the Fenty Beauty Eyebrow Pencil. This is my favorite eyebrow pencil. But lately, I've been having issues with the newer ones I order. It's like a faulty spring and the whole pencil shoots out, so I haven't repurchased. But I love this. This is like a true black. If you have dark hair like me, you want a dark brow. I don't know. I love a dark brow. That's not like deep black. I get in the shade deep black or soft black. Highly recommend these if they can fix that issue. This is my favorite eye cream of all time. I've talked about this before. This is in my skincare routine. This is the Origins GinZing Refreshing Eye Cream. I have like 2 of these in backup. I love this eye cream. It's very hydrating, and then it has like a nice glow to it that just brightens up the under eye. This is fantastic when I'm not wearing makeup. It makes me look awake and just hydrated. This cleanser I've probably been using for over like 6 months for sure. It's so damn big. And you only need the smallest amount because it's concentrated. It's the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. This lasted forever. Sometimes they have these on Boxy or Ipsy flash sales. I would definitely recommend trying it out then because it's at an extreme discount. This retails for about, I think, $30 or $40 or something. So yeah, I would try to, if you're gonna try it out, get it at a discount. I wasn't surprised that I like this. This is a sample size. This is the Tatcha, the Rice Wash Soft Cream Cleanser. This was really good. I normally don't like exfoliating cleansers with beads and stuff in this. In it, what am I saying? I need to eat something. Beads or stuff in it. This has like, I believe it's rice powder in it, and it's a very, very light exfoliant, but it's just nice. Probably like not every day, but 2 to 3 times a week. This little thing lasted me like 2 months. And this is really concentrated too. If there's a sale, I would probably buy the full size. I really like this. This is another sample I received. This is the Summerville Delicate Recovery Cream. I really like this for winter. This would be a great moisturizer for winter. It's very thick and creamy, and there's no scent to it. So if you're looking for a recommendation for a good winter face cream, I would go with this bad boy right here. Well, that's basically it, guys. I have nothing else to show you at the moment, and I honestly don't want to edit a really long video. So yes, those are my empties for the month of last month and whatever is going on this month. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you again for another trash talk. Stay safe out there. Wear your mask and wash your hands and ass, okay? I'll see you when I see you. Bye.